Right, so there's the fruit on the camellia. Oh, so I'm going to use 4 buckets, a blower, a crowbar and a seat. Let's get into it. Now I'll just leave this here for a little minute while I'm working. Pulling it all straight back out behind myself. There's a shovel. I got that feeling like, welcome back, Christmas is over. Welcome back to it. Feel it. I broke that little stand, but all I did was bury the bottom half in underneath, and then she's in there quite solid, still standing the statue on it. Just crumbled in my fingers as soon as I touched it. I suppose after time they do that. Final touch-ups. Prune this Himalayan honeysuckle. See flowers on it. All the new ones are shooting up in there, so I've got to clear out all the dead ones to make some room. Just cut them off down the bottom. put that down. That's all that's really left. It's good. It's like a big clump of bamboo, almost. Rubbish, all of it, and try and get rid of most of that poison ivy I will now. Now I've got a bucket here, but still heaps in. It's going to take about an hour to get all that poison ivy out of that. So it looks like just a clump of bamboo. Like a clump of bamboo, new shoots come up. Very hot today. I've got my fan going full speed. It's so hot. It's scorching me. Blue sky, that's right. And here's the before. Just going to go back to the end of that rhubarb. It's like sticking there with blackberries in there too. Let's see what she looks like in a minute. Or now. There we go. That's not an easy one. What an easy one it is. So I'm here weeding the blackberries and all that sort of thing. Alrighty, and normally you get heaps of spikes and crap all over your arm. With these, it's really good because I can rub that against anything and I'm not going to get a thorn in it. Very nicely. Just made the line in the front. Now I'll do this one. Here we are again. Here we go. It's been heaps of time weeding today, I would say. So I'll get to it.